Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to format cells with colors and fonts in Google Sheets. Here, I already have a set of data to work with. First, select the cell or range of cells you want to format. Then, look at the toolbar at the top, and you can change the font style, size, and color, as well as apply bold, italics, or underline. For example, let's make the column names bold. Simply select the header cells and click the bold icon in the toolbar, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B or Command+B in Mac to apply bold instantly. To change the background color, click the fill color icon and choose the shade you prefer. And that's it. Your data now looks cleaner, easier to read, and more organized with just a few formatting tweaks.